This bowl is made from responsibly sourced paper. BioBowls use premium grade board, made with paper sourced from managed plantations and coated with a bioplastic lining made from plants, not oil like conventional plastic bowls. We use NatureWorks Ingeo bioplastic, as they are the world leader in innovative bioplastic research and development. An environmentally sustainable product is made, used and disposed of in ways that can lower its overall impact on the planet. So it's good to know that the production of Ingeo bioplastic emits up to 80% less carbon emissions and uses approximately 52% less non-renewable energy than regular plastics. BioBowls are certified commercially compostable, which means they will biodegrade to a nutrient-rich compost in a commercial compost facility within 120 days. BioBowls fit into the circular economy, where precious resources are reused locally, not sent to landfill.